So to import your media into Adobe Premiere Pro, first, of course, we're going to create a new project. We're going to name our project for profit. Name your project appropriately. Then give it a location. I'm just going to leave the location the way it is. I'm going to click OK. And then when you click OK, Premiere Pro brings you into this window. So here on the left side is the navigation to all your folders on your desktop and in the entire desktop workstation. So you can just navigate to where your audio files or media files are. Click on desktop, and then I'm just going to look for my files. They are right here on this folder. So these are all the files that I want to use for my video editing. Now, for the purpose of this particular video, I'm just going to select a few so that you see how you can import your media into Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, just before I do that, so you can use this button right here to adjust the size of these icons. Like if I drag this circle this way, you see it adjusts the sizes of those particular icons. If I adjust it that way, it reduces the sizes. So I like it small. It's easy for me to see more files at one glance. So to import that, we're just going to select some few audio clips and then maybe some few video clips that we're going to use for this particular illustration. Once I do that, those clips are going to be down here, and I'm going to click this button on the bottom right corner, click import, and then Adobe simply imports all your media files onto your timeline, onto your project panel on the bottom left side. It also gives you some preview of what you have imported. So that is one way of importing your media into Adobe Premiere Pro. The second way of importing your media into Adobe Premiere Pro, let me just delete that so that we see the other way of importing media into Adobe Premiere Pro. Navigate to where your videos are. So my videos are on this folder right here, all my media files, my audio and my videos. Then I'm also going to select few, and then once I select that, just drag and drop them onto your timeline like that. And then keep existing settings, and then like that you've just imported your media files onto your timeline. The third way of importing media files onto your timeline is coming on the top right side corner of Adobe Premiere Pro. Click on import, and then it brings you to that window which we had, right? So again, here you also just click on select the videos that you want and then click import, right? So those are two different ways to import your media onto Adobe Premiere Pro. The final method is coming here on the top right side, click on file, and then navigate down to where it's written import. Click on import, and then look for that folder that has your videos. Mine is right here, and then select the media files that you want to import, and then click open, and they'll come right here on Adobe Premiere Pro. But as it is right here, it is not organized. There's a lot of disorganization in terms of which video is about what, and which are the audios, which are the videos, which are the maybe which angle of video was this. So we need to organize all this, okay?